If you're looking at regional Victoria and wondering where the real growth is going to come from, you've probably seen Shepparton and Mildura mentioned as affordable hubs with strong yield. But here's the big question. Which one will actually deliver investors better results ending into 2025 and beyond? I just run both suburbs through every metric that matters, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the momentum suburb and which one is the contrarian play for the next 2 to 3 years. Shepparton's median house price is 472,000. Mildura's sits slightly higher at 498. That's only a $26,000 difference. But watch how this plays out in strategy. In the past 12 months, Shepparton has grown 3.7% steady and consistent. Mildura has surged 12.5%, making it one of the strongest movers in regional Victoria. But raw price growth doesn't tell the full story. The demand metrics reveals who's really in control. In Shepparton, listings are down 46% year on year. Yet, days on market are still around 49 days. Buyers are there, but they're taking their time. In Mildura, listings are also down, about 29% year on year. But houses are selling in just under 21 days on average. That's more than twice as fast. Vacancy tells the same story. Shepparton at 1.98%, Mildura at 1.77%, even tighter. Both are landlord-friendly, but Mildura is running hotter right now. But when you zoom out to the LGA level, the supply pipeline looks very different. And this could swing your decision. Shepparton has a 4.8 billion local economy, and unemployment is just under 2.6%, one of the lowest in Victoria. Population around 69,000, still growing thanks to overseas migration, and the 400 million Shepparton rail line upgrade is boosting accessibility. While Mildura's economy is about 3.45 billion, with unemployment at 4.1%, its population sits at 57,000, also supported by migration. But here's the kicker. Mildura has the Car Warp Energy Park project in the pipeline, expected to move forward in 2025 to 2026. So Shepparton is more diversified and jobs-rich. Mildura has the immediate momentum plus a speculative upside from renewables. But let's get practical. What does this mean if you actually buy a property in each? In Shepparton, a 3-bedroom home just sold for $446,000. Rent are around $500 a week, giving you a 5.7 gross yield. While in Mildura, a 3-bedroom home sold for $541,000. Rent is around $530 a week, so you're looking at 5% gross yield. So Shepparton wins in pure cash flow per dollar invested. Mildura wins on velocity of sales and short-term growth. But yield is just one piece. The real edge comes from how these suburbs fit into a portfolio's cash flow. Shepparton's median rent is $480 a week at 5.3% yield, with a vacancy rate of 2%, while Mildura's median rent is $490 a week, with yield around 5.1% and vacancy higher at 1.77%. For cash flow, they're almost identical, but Shepparton edges ahead on percentage yield. Mildura on leasing certainty. So which is the better play? The safe bet or the faster horse? Shepparton is the balanced play. It's got diversified economy, strong rental demand, and funded rail upgrades. It's the safer long-term hope. Mildura is the momentum play. It's absorbing listings twice as fast. Prices are growing double digits, and a renewables boom could be the game changer. But it's more cyclical. So which one would I buy ending in 2025? If you're chasing short-term growth, my pick is Mildura. It's simply absorbing listings faster, vacancy rate is tighter, and growth is running hotter. If you want long-term stability, I'd go for Shepparton. The economy is broader, unemployment is lower, and infrastructure projects are already in place. The biggest mistake investors make is assuming all regionals are risky. Both Shepparton and Mildura are regional hubs with hospitals, schools, and major projects, not small towns. So here's the final thought. Mildura if you want speed, and Shepparton if you want certainty. Both are under 500,000 median. Both yield around 5%, and both will be in play as affordability drives buyers into regional hubs ending in 2025. If you found this head-to-head useful, hit that subscribe button and check out SuburbsFinder. This is the exact platform I use to run this analysis. With one search, you can find suburbs like Shepparton and Mildura before the herd catches on. The October market shifts are coming. The only question is, will you be positioned ahead of them or reacting after it's too late? Again, this is Gilbert. See you next time.